Jungle Cruise. My name is Chrissy. I'll be your skipper, sir. 7 days, 7 nights, maybe even Christmas. We'll see where the week takes us. Now, everyone, please keep your hands on feet and legs inside of our boat at all times. Parents, please supervise your little ones. Little ones, go ahead and supervise your parents. And everyone, please remain seated throughout our entire journey. I mean, only a crazy person stands up in the middle of a moving boat. I said what I said. Now, on our right-hand side is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where Dr. Indiana Jones is looking for the world's greatest treasure. I don't know why he's looking over there. I mean, I'm right here. Now, up ahead, we do have a Himalayan tiger on your left. Now, sometimes Himalayan over there. Now, sometimes Himalayan on the right-hand side.
Alligator!
Yeah. Oh, watch out for those cobras. They are quite striking. And be careful of Ginger. She's stabbed. She's 1/50. Don't make her mad. Now we are entering my favorite part of our tour, our elephant pool. Ooh, Feel free to take as many pictures as you'd like. They all have their trunks on. I did check. Now up ahead, this is Bertha. She's been in there a really long time. Kids, this is why you don't want to spend a long time in the shower. You'll get a lot of wrinkles. I should know. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't shower. Sorry for my first girlfriend. Hi, Bertha. Oh, hi, Squirt. No, bad Squirt. Bad Squirt. Get back down. Get down. Get down. Good boy. Good boy. Oh no, he's gonna get you guys. Oh, duck, 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 duck. I'm just kidding. I taught him that. Good boy, Squirt. I taught him that. Now up ahead, we got an explosion. Let's get closer. Oh, there's some shit. Oh, why does he have a gun? Oh no. Oh man, they left the light on. Now we'll never be able to turn that car back over. Oh well. Let's make like a banana split. Now on our left-hand side, we do have tons of bamboo. Fun fact, did you know that bamboo is said to grow up to 7 stories tall? Some skippers say 8 stories, but that's a whole nother story. Oh, hi. This is our 3D gorilla. I can't imagine why we call it that. Now up ahead is the world-famous Schweitzer Falls. That is right, named after our founder, Dr. Albert Falls. But don't you worry, we'll go over that one a little later. I want to get you guys wet. That would ruin my boat. And now we made it to the Nile River. It does indeed go on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in a boat. Now on our left-hand side, oh hi Bobo. This is an African bull elephant. His name is Bobo. Fun fact, you'll never see another one ever like them ever in the world. They are so incredibly rare. That's an aardvark on your right. Pay no attention to that. Now, up ahead, we do have the biggest celebrity we have here in the Jungle Cruise, ladies and gentlemen. That is right, The Rock, ladies and gentlemen, The Rock. I know. Hi, Rock. Oh, look, there's some spotted horses, a few stripy ones. That's fun. Oh, and those lions are protecting that sleeping striped horse. How sweet. With its neck bent, looking pretty dead. Tired, dead tired. Oh, hi, Felix. That's where you went. So, fun fact, Felix went on a group of took a group of VIPs out on tour, never came back. We didn't know what happened to him. Now we do. No one say anything. We're in this together now. Bye, Felix. I'm not doing that paperwork, sorry. Now, does anyone want to see any hippos? Good, because you're going to. Now, hippos are normally very sweet and loving. You only kind of need to worry about them if they're wiggling their ears. They almost never do that. We should be good to go. Oh, God, why are they wiggling their ears? You didn't tell me. I'm going to scare them off like I scared off my last relationship. I love you. Look at that, I scared him stiff. I saved your lives, you're welcome. Oh, that's Felix's boat. That's weird. Why is Felix's boat there? Where's the rest of it? Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. Interesting. So, Felix once told me that our jobs are so easy that a monkey could do it. I'm 99% sure that those are apes. And I mean, you guys are still here, and my boat doesn't look like that. I think I'm doing pretty good. I only crashed 2 boats today. I like those odds. I mean, I haven't crashed any boats at all. I don't know what you're talking about. Hi, guys. No, you can't have this crew. These are mine. No. Don't look at them. They're going to try and recruit you. Now, I'd like to take the time to point out all the lovely greenery that we have here at the Jungle Cruise. Yeah, point. Hi, Annette. You guys get it? The chimp's name is Annette. I don't know here. But those butterflies are not what they used to be. Caterpillars, that's right. I know. Science. Cool, huh? Now, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. No, it's not the end of the tour. That's in a little bit. The most amazing, incredible, outstanding eighth wonder of the world. The backside of water. Woo! Oh, 2-8. Oh, 2-8. Oh, 2-8. Okay, be careful. Don't want to try that at home. It really will hurt your head. Speaking of head, a head on the left. Yeah, head on the left. That's a good one. You know, my boss once told me this was a real good spot to fish. They always seem to bite for some reason. So let's see if she's right about that or she lied to me. She lied to me, guys. No food. Okay, bye. Now, do you guys know the difference between a python and a boa? That is right. No feathers. Good job. So that's a python sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Yay! We made it back to Trader Sam's, which means you guys survived the world famous Jungle Cruise and my terrible, terrible jokes. Give yourselves a round of applause. Hey, you guys stole my Christmas sweater. Oh well, I won't need that for later. Alright, friends. Now let's smile for our picture. I'm just kidding, guys. There's no picture. I'm not sure to smile. Alright. Alright, ready? Alright, friends. You guys have been awesome. As we return to the dock, please remember to keep your feet and legs inside of our boat at all times. You don't want anything tucked between the boat and the dock. That would really hurt our tongue. That would really create some peer pressure. And I'll leave you with one final poem before we disembark. Roses are red. Hippos don't float. Your free ride is now over. What was that part again? Oh yeah, I remember. Oh, it's a good one. Get off of my boat. I'm so sorry, that was mean. Please get off of my boat. Jungle side, you're gonna use the back door.